Mess with his arm.
No back. No, nothing from the back.
Shut up.
No, I wanted you to leave it long in the back. No.
Shut up.
Just from the side.
Okay.
From the top.
Sit, kid.
Go to a different barber, dude.
No, what? That looks
Because I said nothing off the back.
Have fun.
Let's see the bling.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's there.
That escalated quickly.
Yeah.
Weekend, I cried too much because of videos this weekend.
I cried too much.
The hammer came out and I was just like,
And then you started crying.
Roper.
Time.
it was like pull the heartstrings some more.
Yes.
We had a humorous weekend.
And it was fascinating.
Fascinating?
Yeah.
Several bad puns later.
What about you, Kyle? Come on, bring it on.
I ain't got nothing.
Ah, you dang it.
Like this inside. Okay. And here's the deal. See this here? You've got the foot sticking out. That's probably a good ground. Okay?
Not easy.
All right, we have our artiste right here in the Heartland Horseshoeing School Art Fair. Ooh. All right, everybody go through the painting and act liberal as possible.
Yeah. It's kind of melancholy for me. It's nice.
An interesting choice of medium, don't you think? Gotta find an officiant from the school first.
Kyle will be the ring bearer.
Carson can be the flower girl.
And you're gonna make him, aren't you?
Oh, he'll do it willingly.
There's something wrong with your arteries.
No, my body doesn't make enough red blood cells and there's not enough oxygen in them, so I don't get enough air to my brain and I pass out.
You know we don't play cricket over here.
Cricket?
Yeah, don't you guys play cricket?
Cricket on your shoes.
Well, there's not.
And from here, all the way to the point of my heel check, I have the same parallel lines. Okay?
First day in the Heartland. Not bad looking hoof picks there, eh, Sean?
No. It's Tuesday. And it's pouring down rain. We're going shoeing.
If it ain't raining, we ain't training.
Everybody was digging the artistic shots last week.
Bunch of liberals. Seriously, move.
Sorry.
Well, the rain is coming.
Don't step in yet. Elijah, step out. Hold that toe right there. Until he relaxes. It's back. Give it back to him right now. And now rub him on his butt.
Okay.
Good job, Kobe.
So I'm holding the horse with a no bell for David and Elijah, and we are in a tornado watch.
It's alright, we can get wet. It don't matter.
Seven head didn't show up, so we might get out of here.
It's starting to rain. What do we got left?
I'm fitting up the back of Elijah. We gotta get in the back of Etsy's horse.
Gosh darn it, bang.
Alright, there you go. We are getting done and it is raining. That is exciting. We beat the rain, boss.
We did. So get that horse pulled off, get the boxes loaded up, let's go, let's go.
So boss told us yesterday it would probably be an easy day.
And looking that way.
Look how my thumbs will get tight against my hand. And I'm going to push that handle around the end of my hand. We're going to go across the heel. How much pressure am I putting down on that rascal? Not much. Across the heel, and I'll go down this foot.
We got our money's worth out of that shoe.
I bought a Polaris Ranger, and that thing, I turn a key and I drive it.
You're gonna hit the rodeos, you're gonna put your chaps on and just drive that thing around?
I should.
We'll have a new segment this week with Charlie.
Yeah, exactly. You just have to have me come visit every week.
You need to be talking to him. He could probably get you a lot of viewers on your hammer.
We were just
Exactly.
talking about it.
When you have Charlie McKellips, you know, in your videos,
Man, it's all over.
it's right there. It's there. Just look at my cooking videos. People ask him for them all the time.
My quarter on my foot's up here. Okay, so that's where my width's gonna be. So I'm gonna go adjust this shoe real quick and come right back. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that.
Blue one. Hey, you want to do your deal where you're stump boss today? Hey.
I need to go look at a joke.
Are you ready?
I'm going to go look at one.
Well, go do it. He's gonna try to stump boss this week.
You know her family send a few pages of jokes and explain the jokes.
Yeah, I know.
So now she brings the pages, try to stump boss. Oh.
Oh, we love you, Lauren. Oh, you're laminated.
What we got?
All right, hold on. Hey, boss, how was your day?
Man, it was a great day, huh? For a 5-finger ministry, you lay hands on them now and you pray for healing later. I'm going to show you the header. Okay, so I feel like we're going to set up. A joke?
I have a joke for you.
Oh, yes.
Okay. How does a man take a bubble bath?
You have to tell me.
He eats beans for dinner.
Oh, so where do the bubbles come from?
For some reason.
Oh no. Lauren, think.
He farts.
Oh, yes, good job. Did you tell boss about that? Do you want to tell boss about
Huh?
your study material?
My family sent me a whole bunch of jokes.
Oh my god. Well, what time is it? 6:40. 6:40. And we're about to leave for Oklahoma for a contest. We gotta jump the van. I'm gonna start it. Are we hooked up? Yes. Throttle up. You gotta give it some throttle, man. Yes! I've jumped a few vehicles in my day.
We're off to Oklahoma. Got a contest. We've got a good group of people to compete with. It's gonna be a great time.
Hey, people.
Hi.
We got about, what, 20 minutes down the road. Now we run a tread off our tire.
20 minutes? No, Jakey, you've been sleeping.
Oh, how long have we been driving?
We are in Oklahoma, dude.
Okay. We have Cody.
Don't worry about it.
Look at me, Dick.
We made it.
Just blew a tire and had a dead van in the morning.
I came to a contest with the intent to build shoes, and no one told me there was a written. So I'm in here sucking on my thumb, thinking about woulda, shoulda, coulda.
And you actually suck your thumb so it looks kind of funny.
What? I'm the producer.
Well, you're not the one behind the camera. You're the one hiding in the closet right now.
That's very true.
Dude, a rainbow! It's a double rainbow! Oh, the way across the sky!
I had to shear one foot and make a part bar. I think it come out all right.
I think so too.
You guys realize you're about to go through the drama of final horses at a lot higher level. This is an 8-week final horse. We have to relive the horrors of last week. Hey Todd, welcome to the show, man.
We're here for the likes, comments, and shares.
suck because all I'm going to be doing is editing all day long. Cody Gregory eating an orange. This is fabulous.
Hey Jake.
Yeah.
I got an African phrase for you.
What is it?
Is een slechte verloder. You get to lose, man.
Kicking is not allowed.
Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. You know what we'd call him in Afrikaans?
What?
A sierpruim.